Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create URL redirects on your Shopify store. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select online store. Now select navigation. Now select this button right here called view URL redirects. Now select this button create URL redirect. Now here you need to enter here the original URL that you did like to forward visitors from, and right here you need to enter the new URL that visitors should be forwarded to. And after filling all of these URLs, you just need to select on this button right here called save redirect, and then again select on this button right here called save. And that's how you guys can create your own URL redirect for your Shopify store. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.